Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you have watched the previous lesson video and revised everything. If you want to watch that lesson again, you can always click the following link and watch this lesson again. Alright, now let's move towards our today's lesson. Let's revise is and are. I'm sure you remember how to say is in Urdu. In English, it is, and we use it for singular or one thing or person. And in Urdu, it is hai. We use hai for one thing or one person. Then in English, we say are. We use are for more than one things or people. And in Urdu, it is hai. Hai. When we are talking about more than one thing or more than one person, we say hai. There is one more thing about hai. Even when we are talking about one person, and the person we are talking about is with respect, or the person is our parents or the elder people, then we don't say hai even if we are talking about one person. We say hai. For example, if we are talking about our mom, so we say this is my mom. And in Urdu it is ye meri ammi hain. We are not going to say hai, we are going to say hain. All right? I'm sure you remember this. All right, now let's learn counting further. I'm sure you have memorized from 1 to 35 by heart. Now let's learn to say 36 in Urdu. So 36 in English and in Urdu it is छत्तीस. 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 36. छत्तीस. Repeat and practice. And I suggest you count from 1 to 36 in Urdu several times. Alright? Okay, now let's learn to say do it in Urdu. In English we say do it. And in Urdu it is karo. Karo. Do it. Karo. Then in English we say look. Look. And in Urdu it is dekho. Dekho. Look. Dekho. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say do it. And in Urdu, karo. Karo. Then in English we say look. And in Urdu it is dekho. Dekho. Repeat and practice, okay? Alright, I am sure you remember how to say where are you in Urdu. And then the reply to this, I am here or I am in the room in Urdu. If you want to repeat and revise these sentences again, you can always click the link provided in this video and watch that again. So now let's learn to say where is she or where is he in Urdu. So in English we say where is she and in Urdu it is wo kahan hai. Wo kahan hai. Or we say where is he and in Urdu it is wo kahan hai. Wo kahan hai. So remember for he and she both in Urdu it is wo. Alright. Then the reply is he is here or she is here. In Urdu it is wo yahan hai. Wo yahan hai. He is here. वो यहाँ है. She is here. वो यहाँ है. Or we say he is in the room or she is in the room. So in Urdu it is वो कमरे में है. वो कमरे में है. Now let's repeat one more time. Where is she? वो कहाँ है? Where is he? वो कहाँ है? He is here. वो यहाँ है. she is here. वो यहाँ है. और he is in the room. वो कमरे में है. वो कमरे में है. और she is in the room. वो कमरे में है. Repeat and practice. All right? Okay, so here this is the end of our today's lesson. Watch the video again and repeat and revise for better practice. All right, so here this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with next lesson inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.